In this occasion, I will explain how to calculate the area of place using Google Maps. First, we can go to the point or region that we want to measure. Second, change the Google Maps mode to satellite mode to make it easier for us to see the real condition in the area that we are looking for. Third, determine starting point or reference point for measuring area. Then, right-click and select Measure Distance. Mark each corner of the area that we will calculate the size of the area. In case the shape of area that we measured is not square, so we must mark every corner of the area. When finished, we can click again at the starting point or reference point that we have made. Later, the area that we measure will be displayed at the bottom of the Google Maps. Alright, that was a tutorial for measuring area through Google Maps. Hope you all can understand it. Thank you.